Hello and welcome to my channel English Wala YouTuber. So guys, I hope you are doing great and learning English language great way. So guys, today I am going to share one of particular topic which one is really very impactful and very good for learning, which one is really beginner. So today in this video just I want to explain something about money. What is money and why we should earn money, what is importance of money in our life. So all things just I would like to explain. So please stay tuned this video till the end. Really you will get some of knowledge and you will get some of vocabulary and sentences while listening and watching. So please, I am requesting to you, please stay tuned this video till the end. So guys, as you know that in this video I am going to share something about money. So yeah, really without money I can say that we can't do anything. बिना पैसे के आज के डेट में हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सपोज हमें कहीं जाना हुआ, हमें कुछ खरीदना हुआ, हमें दवा लेना हुआ, हमें एजुकेशन लेना हुआ, तो बिना पैसे के हम कुछ नहीं पा सकते. So that is why we should earn money by hook or by crook. And one more thing just I would like to share with you, without doing work and job we cannot earn money. So really if you want to get job, so then you should be educated, and then after you can get good job, and then you can survive your life very easy way. Otherwise nowadays really it's a very hard competition to getting job, private sector and government sector also. So in my opinion guys, first of all if I want to earn more money, so first of all we should be educated and we should get some of technical knowledge and some of degree and diploma. So then after we can get good job and we can get earn money. While getting job, if you have good experience and if you have good knowledge, so definitely you will get promotion also. When you will get promotion, so definitely you will get earn money more. So that is why here is my topic is money. Suppose I want to get some of technical knowledge or any diploma and a degree. So if I don't have money, so how can it be possible to get that kind of knowledge and education? Nothing. So that is why money is very important, and if you have money, so then we can get education and medical, medicine, and we can live our luxurious life, and we can go where we want. Suppose I want to go some places for trip, and then we don't have any money, so how can we possible to go there? Nothing, it's not possible. And second one is, suppose someone is facing some disease and they don't have much money, so how can be possible to go any good good hospital? Nothing, it's not possible. So that is why if you have money, so you can live your luxurious life and whatever you want, and you can survive, you can take, you can buy, all things you can do. But guys, without money I think it's not possible to survive our life in this era. So guys, in my opinion I think most of think we have to earn money. Like that if we are sitting idle at home, so how can we possible to earn money? So that is why we should do any job, and then after we can earn some of money, and then after we can use that money good way, and then after we can increase our money. So that is why money is very important in our life. And one more thing, suppose if you don't have money and if you want to start your any business, so how can it be possible to start your business? Nothing is possible. So that is why you should save some of money, and then after you want to run your business, and if you want to give some of facility our kids and family member, so then it may be better. Otherwise, I think without money it's not possible to survive our life. So guys, overall my opinion is, if you want to earn money, so first you should be educated and then after you can earn money. And if you are not educated, so I think it's not possible to survive in our life and you can't get good job. So I think this is a very important topic. I hope you learned something from this video. If you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.